Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's recipe is an Indian dessert which is called as Malpua. So let's start. So we're gonna start with a 1 cup of wheat flour and 1/4 cup of milk powder or 2 tablespoons of milk powder. To it, add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, or if you have fennel seeds powder you can use that as well. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix all the dry ingredients well. Now start adding milk in portions into this mixture and mix it well. So add the milk until we get this consistency. The mixture should not be very thick. It should be of flowing consistency. Now keep this mixture aside until we prepare sugar syrup. So for sugar syrup we are taking 1 cup of sugar and a cup of water. On the low to medium flame we have to cook this sugar syrup. Now take the mixture and give it a little bit of mix again. After 8 minutes our sugar syrup is ready, so we're keeping it aside now. Now heat some oil in a pan and start pouring the mixture and deep fry the pancake. Deep fried all the pancakes. Now we're gonna dip it in the sugar syrup. Malpuas are ready to serve. Thank you for watching the video.